Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is choose an object. I'm going to stick with circle, but you can make any shape you want. Get my working arrow back. Now, when I go on top of my outline, I get the 4 arrows. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Brings up my blue square box. I'm going to go down to Properties, and under Properties and Fill Effects, I'm going to choose a solid fill. You could pick any color you want. I'll just leave it blue. Click away from my circle. Now, when I go inside my circle, I get the 4 arrows. So I'm going to double click, and I'm going to type click here. Notice that my font color is the same as my background, and I don't want that, so I'm going to make it a color that'll show up well, like white. And now I'm going to take that and just put my cursor here and move it down, move it over a little bit, and now I have the words click here inside my circle. The next step then is to go to Properties again, and this time, oops, I have to click away from my circle. I always forget that. Now I'm going to go back and go to Properties, and I'm going to go to Object Animation, and the type is going to be Fade Out. So now when my object is clicked, it's going to fade out, and I'm going to have no repeats. Now I need to get my text tool because I want to type my answer to my question. Let's say that my question is, let's make it smaller here. Let's say it's what organ of the body produces bile. Since my students study the digestive system, my answer is gallbladder. Go back to my working arrow. Now if I drag this circle on top, you can see how gallbladder doesn't hide behind. So to fix that, I'm going to click on the word gallbladder. I'm going to go down to order, and I'm going to send to back. Now when I move my circle over, the gallbladder is behind. Let's try it out and see if it works. Just make sure you have your working arrow. Click here, it fades away, my answer shows up. If I want to get my circle back, I just go forward a page, go back to my page, let's try that again, and there's my circle. So click here, fades away, and that's how you create Click and Reveal.